Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply different shipping or delivery charges for different product in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are going to assign different shipping and delivery charges for different product. So we are in setting and then you see shipping, delivery, fulfillment. So click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery section and then you see shipping region. So we have one region, rest of the world, apply to whole world and then click on edit. So we are in region 1. So we select destination, rest of the world. So you can select according to requirement and then you see shipping. Select how shipping is calculated. Now click on it. So we are going to select rate by product, apply shipping rate for group of product. Now click on it and then you see you have two product group. Now click on manage product group. So click on it. Now pop up open and then you see name and then you see product group. So we created group 2. Group 1 is default. Now you see setting icon. So hover on it and then you see add a new group. So click on it. If you want you can create new group. Now you see heavy product. So we are going to create group 3 and then click on add group. Now new group added and then you see product name, product group. Now select. Now you see group 1 default, group 2, group 3. So you can assign product according to requirement. Now scroll down. So we assign organic product group 2 and we are going to assign this I am a product group 3. Now you see. So you can select according to requirement. So you can create multiple group and assign according to requirement to respective product. Another select group 1 default. So we only assign one product in group 3 and one product in group 2. Now click on done and then you see shipping option name, delivery time. So you can add information according to requirement. So we added delivery fees tax. Now you see group 1 default rate and then you see this rate will apply to all new product you add to store. So you can assign rate according to requirement. If you want you can set 0 or 1. So it's up to you. So we are going to assign group 2 rate now 5 and group 3 rate now 6. So you can add value according to requirement. So we are going to apply shipping rate for group 2 product 5 and group 3 product 6. And we don't assign default rate for group 1 0. In group 1 mostly all product included. So this is our default rate. So if you want you can assign it and then scroll down. Now you see advanced setting. Choose how shipping is rated. This will apply to all your region. Now you see an example. So click on it. You see 3 options. Again click on it. And then you see pop up shipping calculation example. You have 2 shipping groups in your store. Shirt with shipping rate 1. Pant with shipping rate 10. So customer order 5 shirt and 5 pant. So this is our option 1. Checkbox or radio button 1. Shipping cost for shirt $5. Shipping cost for pant $50 for one product or individual product. So total shipping 5, 55, 5 for 5 shirt, 50 for 5 pants. Now you see rate is applied once to all product. So you can add 1 product, 5 product, 10 product, but only one rate apply. Like if you have 5 shirts but apply $1 and if you have 5 pants but apply $10. And then you see highest rate is applied once to our entire order. Shipping cost for shirt is 1 and shipping cost for pant is 10. Now you see apply only $10. Now got it. Now you see apply group rate to each product in the order. So by using this option, if you increase product quantity, then shipping rate also increase. And then you see apply group rate once for all product. If you have 5 quantity for one product but apply one rate. If you assign $10, so $10 is apply for one product, 5 product, 10 product. And then you see apply the highest group rate once to the entire order. So we have 2, 5, 6. If we select this, only 6 rate apply on whole order. Now we select apply group rate to each product in the order and then click on save. And then you see you have saved. Now go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see we have 3 product. So this is our default group 1. This is our group 2 and this is our group 3. By default we apply 0. So if you increase quantity, delivery not change. Now you see organic product. Now increase. Now you see 27, 5 increase, again increase. Now you see 32, 5 increase when we increase quantity. So this is a group 3, I'm a product, increase it before 32. Now you see 38, so $6 increase, again increase. Now you see 44, increase $6. So you can assign rates according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.